Prune belly syndrome. It is life-threatening to the fetus and potential cause of stillbirth. Prune belly, also known as Eagle-Barrett syndrome, is a rare congenital disorder characterized by a triad of abnormalities including deficient or absent abdominal muscles, severe urinary tract malformations, and bilateral cryptorchidism. Presentation may include renal dysplasia and pulmonary hypoplasia. The condition will be present at birth. Affected patients have a swollen abdomen with wrinkly skin. Ultrasound may reveal the condition. Etiology is unknown. It mainly affects males, but female cases have been reported. Possible complications include chronic constipation, recurrent infections, growth retardation, chronic kidney disease, and delayed sitting and walking. Surgery is typically required.